What's up, man gang? It's your girl Molly, and I am back with another video. So, I, of course, running late. It's one of my homegirls' birthday weekend, and I need to do something with this hair. And so, I wanted to test out these products from Creme and Nature. They sent over some of their products in their pure honey collection. There we go. Yeah. Shout out to Creme Nature and my friends at Influencer for giving me these products. Let's see what's inside. We got quite a few stuff. We have 2 conditioners and 2 shampoos. Now I have a lot of hair. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. We have the Not Away leave-in. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner and or a detangler. I'm gonna use it as a leave-in conditioner because my hair really doesn't get detangled like that, or doesn't get tangled like that. Okay. And one thing I cannot do, I cannot do this right. Okay, I feel this. Next, we have the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. And then last but not least, we got some perfect edges, some edge control. Yes, so let's go. I already wet my hair prior to starting this video, so we can go ahead and jump on in. Oh, and so if y'all follow me on Instagram at Molly's Main, y'all know that I had went to this hair store a little while ago, and so I actually have more of these samples, which I'm excited about because the owner, he was so nice. At least I think that was the owner. He was really nice, and he gave me like, it's a bunch of samples in here. So I actually have more conditioner and shampoo. Oh, and there's another detangler. I don't need that, obviously. So I think I should be good to go with having enough shampoo and conditioner. We're gonna get started with the shampoo. Try to open it up. Okay, it smells good. It's not too strong. I'm already liking the way this is feeling on my hair. But we shall see. And I really like how light the smell is. Like, it's not strong at all. Because I cannot stand when hair products be like too perfumey. And it feels so light right now. What's funny is that growing up, I used to use Creme Nature, and my mommy, for those who don't know, that's my grandma, my mama's mom, but she does not like my grandma. Anyways, she used to use Creme Nature on my hair when I was little. You know, the packaging was different, obviously. If I'm not mistaken, I think Creme Nature, did they use that white bottle when I was younger? I'm gonna make it conditioner. The shampoo is in, y'all. Like, the rest is out. And we're gonna get started on the conditioner. Alright, so just rinsed out the shampoo, and listen, that definitely cleaned my hair, and I realized that my hair was that dirty, but it definitely did what it needed to do. Let's see. My hair does feel a little dry. That's one thing I do have issues with some shampoos. After shampooing my hair does feel a little dry, but it still feels soft though, so that's good. So let's move on to the conditioner. So that's what the conditioner is going to look like. Okay, so obviously the conditioner is a little bit more thicker. It's just gonna be enough time in the day for me. For real. Now when it comes to the conditioner, I might have to open up extra because this ain't enough. I like to condition my hair a lot. I like to use a lot of conditioner. Alright, y'all, none of my hair is completely saturated in the conditioner. I'm about to rinse it out and then move on to the next step. Alright. So, I got the conditioner completely rinsed out. Now let's move on to the Not Away leave-in. Probably should have opened this up before starting this video. My hair smells so good right now. And I take that back, I do like the conditioner. Like my hair, it feels soft and actually it feels moisturized too. Like the shampoo, my hair did feel dry, but I feel like I deal with that with a lot of shampoos. But the conditioner definitely was good. Okay. Smells the same. And that's one thing too that I do like when brands make collections. I like for everything in a collection to smell the same. I do find that some, I can't remember what brand it was that I had used. They had a collection and each item had a different smell. Like, that's too much. Like, your hair will be smelling all different types of stuff. Like, let's keep it consistent. One smell, that's all we need. I always add a leave-in conditioner to my hair after I wash it. And I prefer creamy leave-in conditioners versus the sprays. Sorry about that. Add just a little bit more to it. So I'm about to pin this up real quick, reorganize, and then we'll get started on the blow dry. Ooh, my hair feels so soft, y'all. It smells so good. Okay, Creme Nature. Okay, I swear, blow drying my hair takes forever. All these hairstyles be so simple, but that blow drying part, and I think I just broke the comb of my blow dryer, but we ain't gonna let that ruin my day. So anyways, let's get started because I'm officially late. Yep. I have to be gone in 15 minutes. Clearly that's not about to happen. But I'm gonna try to hurry this up. Because the hairstyle is very simple. It's nothing too complicated at all. Because I don't have the time to do anything complicated. Creme in Nature didn't provide me with any oil, so I have to use my own. I'm gonna need some oil for my scalp, so I'm gonna use my usual DiFeel Argan Oil, as always, and just put it through my entire scalp, my edges. My hair's still a little damp, but you know what? I don't have the time. I don't have the time. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the back of my hair into a few bantu knots, and let them sit while I get dressed and do my makeup. I'm not going to be looking for perfect sections or anything like that because I'm wearing my hair, wearing the back down. So I'm going to use their curl activator. Child, that blow dryer makes me so hot. And so from this point on in the video, it's going to be a voiceover because I got so focused in doing my hair, I completely forgot I was even recording for real. But, so, the curling activator, it was cool. I will say, the next day, I didn't care for how, like, my hair felt crunchy. I'm not sure if it's because, like, I didn't use it correctly or what. I don't know. But for the day of, I really liked how it made my hair look. But the next day I had to do some maintenance so that my hair didn't feel like that weird crunchy feeling. So after I got those 6 bantu knots in the back and let them set, I'm going to do a 3-strand flat twist on the sides of my hair. I use the curling activator again and make sure my hair is detangled and all that good stuff. Now y'all know me and 3-strand flat twist, child, them braids, cornrows. I'm still learning, but I don't think I did too bad, honestly. For what it was, I thought it was really cute. So yeah, shout out to me. And so you want to make sure that you braid it all the way to the ends. That's one thing I will say I was happy about not having my nails on. I was able to braid literally to the very ends of my hair. Because if I had them nails on, child, it'd have been over. Y'all can't tell, but I'm really happy right now. So I got my argan oil again and get them scalps moisturized. And so now for this middle section, I'm splitting it into 3 sections, as you can see. And so for these sections, I'm making sure that the lines are as perfect as they can be. I use some of the curling activator again for this section. Make sure them baby hairs is out, or them edges, because I'm not a baby child, I'm an adult. Make sure them edges is out because I don't want them pushed back into the sections. And so once I got it smoothed out, got my rubber bands, black rubber bands. And listen, you cannot use cheap rubber bands, okay? I tried it and the rubber bands just slip right on out my hair. I don't know if it's just my hair type, but nah. I need the rubber bands that's kind of thick. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yes, make sure your hair is all the way detangled because it makes it easier to braid it. And so after I section the hair, I'm doing a 3-strand twist again. And also, I recommend you guys keep detangling your hair as you're braiding, because sometimes my hair does get a little tangled when I'm getting closer to the ends. But anyways, after I braid my hair up, I'm going to wrap it around itself like a Bantu knot. And I'm going to do that for all 3 of those sections, as you can see. And then once I am done completely braiding my hair to the ends and wrap it around itself, I'm going to put a bobby pin just to hold it, because these 3 Bantus, where the hell you want to call it, is part of the look. And so I don't want the Bantus to come out. And so Creme Nature gave me some of their edge control too, so that's what I'll be using as well. I will say with their edge control, I liked it in the beginning, but then eventually later on in the night, my edges start to curl up, and I deal with that a lot. And so usually, as you guys know in my previous videos, I will use my Eco Styler first and then seal it, and I think I needed to use their edge control as my sealer, but it is what's gonna be. Anyways, I take some clear beads, and I use about 4 or 5 of them and put them at the ends of my hair. And as you see, this is almost the final look. I'm gonna do my makeup and get dressed, and I will be right back. And this is the final look, y'all. I took the 6 Bantus out. I think it's so cute. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you, Creme Nature, and thank you, Influencer, for my complimentary items. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.